Good morning, everyone. I am delighted to welcome you all today. Thank you for joining this session. My name is Dr. S.K. Singh, and I hold a PhD in this field. Today, we will be exploring the fascinating world of the GMP regulations. Over the next few minutes, we will cover the key principles, importance, and regulatory framework surrounding good manufacturing practices. So, let's get started and make this session informative and engaging. Welcome to our discussion on Good Manufacturing Practice, or GMP, regulations. These are a set of internationally recognized guidelines that help ensure the products we rely on, especially in industries like pharmaceuticals, food, cosmetics, and medical devices, are consistently produced and controlled to meet high-quality standards. GMP is all about making sure that every product is safe and effective. One of the key focuses of GMP is to minimize risks during production that can't be caught with final product testing alone. Think of risks like contamination, wrong labeling, or unexpected variations in quality. That's what GMP aims to prevent. It covers every aspect of manufacturing, from raw materials and the facilities used to produce the products, to the equipment, staff training, hygiene practices, and thorough documentation. Organizations like the World Health Organization and regulatory agencies, such as the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, play a crucial role here. They establish and enforce these GMP standards to make sure consumer safety is protected. Ultimately, GMP is about ensuring that the products we use are safe, effective, and of consistent high quality. It forms the foundation of trust in manufacturing industries, giving consumers confidence in what they buy and use every day. Let's take a closer look at the key regulatory agencies involved in pharmaceutical oversight around the world. The European Commission is responsible for proposing and enforcing laws across the European Union, setting the legal framework for medicines and healthcare products. Within the EU, the European Medicines Agency, or EMA, plays a crucial role in ensuring that medicines are safe and effective for patients. Moving across the Atlantic, in the United Kingdom, the Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency, or MHRA, oversees the regulation of medicines and medical devices, maintaining safety standards post-Brexit. In the United States, the Food and Drug Administration, known as the FDA, is the primary agency ensuring product safety, overseeing everything from drug approval to manufacturing practices. Globally, the International Council for Harmonization, or ICH, works to harmonize drug development guidelines, making it easier for pharmaceutical companies to operate across different regions. Additionally, the Pharmaceutical Inspection Cooperation Scheme, or PIC-S, promotes uniform good manufacturing practice standards through inspection procedures. All these agencies work together to ensure the quality, safety, and consistency of pharmaceuticals worldwide. This collaboration is essential for protecting public health and facilitating international trade in medicines. As we move forward, understanding the roles of these organizations helps us appreciate the complex regulatory landscape that underpins safe pharmaceutical development and distribution. The European Commission is essentially the executive branch of the European Union. Its main responsibilities include proposing new laws, implementing decisions, and ensuring that EU treaties are upheld across all member states. It acts in the best interest of the entire EU, rather than favoring any single country. The Commission is made up of one commissioner from each member state, which means it brings together diverse perspectives while working toward common goals. It oversees crucial policy areas such as trade, environment, competition, and public health, areas that directly affect our daily lives. Additionally, the Commission manages the EU's budget, making sure resources are allocated properly, and it also works to ensure that laws are applied consistently throughout all member countries. Headquartered in Brussels, the European Commission plays a vital role in shaping policies that impact millions of citizens across Europe. It's really at the heart of how the EU functions and moves forward. The European Medicines Agency, or EMA, is a key player within the European Union. It's a decentralized agency, which means it's not located in just one place, but works across the EU to oversee medicines. Its main responsibilities include the scientific evaluation, supervision, and safety monitoring of medicines to make sure they meet high standards. The EMA's primary goal is to ensure that medicines available in Europe are safe, effective, and of high quality. One of its most important functions is coordinating the assessment of new medicines through a centralized process. This allows a single marketing authorization that's valid across all EU member states, simplifying access and regulation. After medicines are approved, the EMA continues to monitor their safety, making sure any potential issues are identified and addressed promptly. It also provides guidance to pharmaceutical companies to help them develop and bring new medicines to market responsibly. The agency is headquartered in Amsterdam, which positions it well to serve as a hub for scientific collaboration and regulatory oversight. Overall, the EMA plays a crucial role in protecting public health and fostering innovation within the pharmaceutical sector across Europe. The Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency, or MHRA, is the main authority responsible for making sure that medicines, medical devices, and blood components for transfusion in the UK meet the necessary standards of safety, quality, and effectiveness. Operating under the Department of Health and Social Care, the MHRA evaluates and grants approval for medicines before they reach the market. But their work doesn't stop there. They also monitor the safety of these products once they are in use, ensuring that they remain safe for patients. Additionally, the MHRA plays a vital role in overseeing clinical trials, making sure they are conducted ethically and correctly. They are also heavily involved in pharmacovigilance, which is the ongoing monitoring of medicines' safety after they're approved. Plus, they enforce regulations related to good manufacturing practice, ensuring that healthcare products are made consistently to high standards. In summary, the MHRA's work is essential in maintaining public trust and protecting health. They help ensure that all healthcare products used in the UK are safe, effective, and reliable for patients. This is a key part of our overall focus on quality and safety in healthcare. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, is a key federal agency dedicated to protecting public health across the United States. Its main role is to oversee the safety, effectiveness, and quality of a wide variety of products. These include medicines, vaccines, medical devices, food, cosmetics, and even tobacco products. Operating under the Department of Health and Human Services, the FDA is involved at every stage, from evaluating new drugs before they hit the market to monitoring their safety once they're available to consumers. They also ensure that manufacturing practices meet strict standards, like Good Manufacturing Practice, or GMP, which helps maintain product quality and safety. The FDA's headquarters are located in Silver Spring, Maryland. Overall, its mission is critical. It supports innovation in healthcare and ensures the products we rely on are safe and effective. This all ties into our broader theme of understanding how regulatory agencies safeguard public health and foster trust in the products we use daily. The International Council for Harmonization of Technical Requirements for Pharmaceuticals for Human Use, or ICH, is a global initiative that plays a crucial role in the pharmaceutical industry. It brings together regulatory authorities and industry representatives from around the world to develop harmonized guidelines for drug development and registration. The main goal here is to ensure that safe, effective, and high-quality medicines are developed and approved efficiently, no matter where in the world they are being introduced. Members of the ICH include major regulatory bodies like the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, the European Medicines Agency, and Japan's Ministry of Health. Alongside these agencies, industry experts also participate to ensure that the guidelines are practical and scientifically sound. The guidelines created by ICH cover a wide range of areas, everything from quality, safety, and efficacy to multidisciplinary topics. The idea is to reduce duplication of testing across different regions, which helps streamline the entire global approval process for medicines. This collaboration ultimately benefits everyone, patients, healthcare providers, and the industry, by making sure that new medicines reach those in need more quickly and efficiently. Now, let's take a closer look at the Pharmaceutical Inspection Cooperation Scheme, or PIC-S for short. This is an international arrangement that brings together regulatory authorities from different countries. The main goal here is to harmonize good manufacturing practice standards and inspection procedures, making sure that everyone is on the same page when it comes to quality and safety. What's really important about PIC-S is that it promotes cooperation and mutual confidence among participating authorities. This means that countries are working together, sharing information, and trusting each other's inspection results. This collaboration helps ensure that medicines manufactured around the world meet consistent quality standards. Members of PIC-S share a lot, information, training programs, and even develop common guidelines. These efforts are aimed at improving inspection systems globally, which ultimately benefits patients everywhere. Overall, PIC-S plays a crucial role in strengthening global regulatory standards. It also reduces the need for duplicate inspections, saving time and resources, and most importantly, supporting the production of safe, high-quality pharmaceuticals. This is a key piece of the puzzle in our broader effort to ensure medicine safety worldwide. The World Health Organization, or WHO, is a specialized agency within the United Nations, and its main responsibility is to promote global public health. It was established back in 1948, and its primary goal is to ensure that everyone, everywhere, can attain the highest possible level of health. WHO works with countries all around the world to tackle diseases, strengthen healthcare systems, and develop international health standards and guidelines. Its activities cover a wide range of critical areas, including disease prevention, vaccination programs, emergency responses, and coordinating research efforts. Their headquarters is in Geneva, and from there, WHO plays a vital role in addressing some of the most pressing health challenges we face today. It supports countries in improving the health and well-being of their populations, helping to create a healthier world for all of us. So, in conclusion, it's clear that several key organizations play crucial roles in ensuring medicines are safe, effective, and of high quality. The European Commission, the European Medicines Agency, the Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency, and the U.S. Food and Drug Administration are all responsible for overseeing these standards within their respective regions. They work tirelessly to protect public health by regulating the development, approval, and manufacturing of pharmaceuticals. Complementing these regional authorities, there are global organizations like the International Council for Harmonization and the Pharmaceutical Inspection Cooperation Scheme. Their role is vital in harmonizing guidelines and standardizing inspection practices across different countries. This global cooperation helps to streamline processes and ensure consistency worldwide. Together, these organizations form a strong, coordinated framework that not only safeguards public health, but also promotes international collaboration. They support the development and manufacture of high-quality pharmaceuticals everywhere, which is essential in our increasingly interconnected world. This comprehensive approach is fundamental to maintaining trust and safety in the medicines we rely on. For further support, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help and provide any additional information you might need. Feel free to contact us through the provided channels. And with that, I want to sincerely thank you all for your time and attention today. Your engagement truly makes a difference, and I look forward to connecting with you further. Thank you again.